Hey, it's attorney Stephen A. Smith here, the pastor lawyer, with another commonly asked question.
What types of damages can I seek in a personal injury case? Well, there are many types of damages that you're able to seek in a personal injury case. The first of which is medical expenses, or out-of-pocket medical expenses that are incurred as a result of the injury. In addition, you have pain and suffering. That is the anguish, mental anguish. Sometimes there's physical anguish, the pain that you have to undergo while the injury heals. And sometimes these are permanent injuries, so they happen for life. And so your pain and suffering will not just be past, but also future pain and suffering. Then you have loss of consortium. Loss of consortium is having the intimacy between you and your spouse. If you're married, that is mitigated or lost in the process of the injury, because many times it stops you from being able to be active as you otherwise would be. Loss of enjoyment of life is another damage. You know, the ability to go and work out and to go and do yoga or any other activity that you are used to doing that suffers as a result of the injury. And then you have other, damages as well, like loss of support and services. And so people rely on you. People rely on your income. Sometimes you have folks who are caretakers for their parents, caretakers for their children. And so those services that you provide, now you have to pay someone else to do them. In other cases, you have to pay, of course, for daycare and for other services that your children really need, and you are being relied upon to do so. Those are other damages that come about as a result of a personal injury case. So those are just some examples of damages, the types of damages that there are. We usually divide them between economic and non-economic damages. The economic are those that are hard and fast, that we know what the actual number is. We can actually categorize what the actual cost of that particular service will be. However, when it comes to non-economic damages, that's not always clear, because who can put a price on the ability to go work out, or to go running, jogging, or to play with your kids, or to bend down and be able to roll around with your children? Who can put a price tag on your ability to have relations with your spouse? Who can put a price tag on it? And that's what Florida juries are actually put in a position of doing, where they have to decide in this non-economic terms, what is the value of this person's claim here for the loss that they experience from the damages that occur from a personal injury case.